Here at Medical Professions, we received a JET grant that has served us for funding to buy equipment such as EKG machines, state-of-the-art mannequins, equipment to measure their height and weight, equipment to measure the blood pressure. This gives the students the opportunity to have that first-hand experience so that when they go out and work in the field, they're able to perform and assist the physicians and their nurses in their procedures. Giving the students this opportunity to learn about this equipment and practice with it here makes them more marketable and helps them step up in their career as they go into healthcare. So I just want to thank Texas Workforce for the grant of over $215,000 that was issued to medical professions. I know that with this funding, our students will have a great benefit with state-of-the-art equipment, as well as helping them be successful in their future healthcare career.